Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you or showing you how you can add pause of few seconds in between one component to another component. So let's get started. I have taken this WhatsApp bot and the flow for example. I have this name component now, and I have this text question now. So before triggering the text question for how many seconds I want a delay, I can add that from here. You can see add delay of seconds before this message is displayed. So I can add 5 or any seconds as per my need, that after how many seconds the next question should appear. And you can see automatically the bot has been updated successfully. So in case if you want to use this functionality for any sort of AI or anywhere where you feel like that this message should come after few seconds, so you can add a delay from here, and accordingly the bot will work. That's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.